Hey guys, I'm getting ready to do an unboxing and do an install with a Spigen GLAStr EZ FIT for my iPhone 11 in the product red right here. And it is a 2-pack. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. You got a little arrow right here. You just pull it here and we're going to see what comes inside. Oh, maybe not. Okay, here we go. So right off the top, we get the before applying with the directions here. And here are the two screen protectors here, the two trays, 1 and 2. And we get some goodies here, look like a screen, the lens and screen cleaning wipe, the cleaning cloth, some stickers, and all that good stuff. Alrighty then, so here's the tray. Okay, so here's number 1. We peel that off. Step 2 is to press up and down and wait 30 seconds, and then we peel it off. 3, yeah, 4, peel it off. All right, so let's do this. I'm ready to get on my iPhone. Okay, so that is the squeegee right here. The dust removal stickers. Then we have the cleaning cloth right here. And we have the alcohol wipes. And what is this? I'm all over the place. How to remove bubbles. All right, so here we go. Let's do one of these. Let's go ahead and take this apart. And we'll go ahead and put this on top of the iPhone. Actually, we're going to remove this first. Let's make sure we put it on right. Put this on top of here. And we press it down. Now, that should be about 30 seconds. We're going to lift this up. Oh no. I'm doing it wrong. We got to do step 4. We got to remove the tape here. I like to mess up. We're going to remove the tape. Okay, there we go. Got a few bubbles here. I'm trying to smooth these out. I would turn my phone off to so you'll be able to see it better. Let's go ahead and take this off right here. Oh man, that was easy. That was really easy, y'all. And there you go, the perfect fit. Looks great. Alright guys, so that was my install on the Spigen GLAStr EZ FIT tray with the tray. And yeah, y'all have a great day. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace. Doodles.